Hi, wanna know how to manually turn your Xiaomi Redmi Buds for active into pairing mode? So let's imagine that we have gotten into a situation when we would like to reconnect these earbuds to another device. How to do it? You can see they're currently connected to this phone, and to disconnect them and turn into a pairing mode, we would need to, as a first step, take them out of case. Then, as a next step, put each earbud in one of your hands, so we've got one hand, one earbud. For example, I'll hold them like this because one of the important condition is the legs cannot touch your hand at all. It should be in the air. And now to turn them into pairing mode, we would need to tap on the sensor, which is located on the leg of the earbud, exactly 3 times at the same time. So it means it should look like this. 1, 2, 3. So let's try it now. This can take a few takes because this is not really easy, but it should work. So 1, 2, 3. Once more. 1, 2, 3. And now, as you can see, the earbuds has been successfully disconnected, which means that they are now in the pairing mode and you can reconnect to them from any other device. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.